Hello friends, Namaskar, Sasrikal, Salam. This is Amit Kapoor. Today I'm going to talk about weekly prediction from 5th of October 2020 to 11th of October 2020. One of the biggest change in this week is Jupiter is direct in Capricorn. And Mercury is retrograde. So lot of big change for a lot of ascendants. You know very well. My all predictions are based on your ascendant sign, and let's start for the Aries ascendants. For Aries ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will get a lot of new business opportunities, and cash flow will make you happy. Unexpected gains will make you happy. You will enjoy a lot of comforts. Your spouse will support you. You will enjoy good health, but don't show your attitude. Be humble. Try to be in a good talks with others, and if you talk some wrong words, or if you are show your attitude in front of anyone, then situation will be out of control. Don't be a part of any litigation, because this is very promising time for you, because Saturn is direct in your 10th house, which will bring a lot of business opportunities, name, fame, rewards for you. You will get a lot of finance, and some unexpected money will lock you. Finances will be upgrade, cash flow will make you happy, your savings will be rise. And if you are unemployed, you may find a job, you will get job. If you are a businessman and your business is shut down due to this COVID, from this week, especially 29 September after, because the Saturn is direct, you will definitely get a lot of good orders, because Mercury is in your 7th house, which is retrograde. But by the grace of God, Mars is very well placed, and second, Saturn is direct. You may get any order from overseas land if you are importer exporter. If you are involved in any type of foreign transaction, then this will bring a lot of happiness and positivity for you. You will get very good news related to your work, related to your source of earning, and there is a strong chances to travel in foreign land related to your business. You may plan your foreign trip. Your family and your friend will support you. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, benefits during this week. Now I'm going to talk about Taurus ascendants. Taurus ascendants, your savings will upgrade. You will rise a lot. Your finances will be upgrade. You will enjoy a lot of good health, and your finances will be sky high. Your confidence level will be sky high. You enjoy a lot of healthy moments or good moments with your family and friends. This whole week brings lot of positivity, success, name, fame, prosperity. There is a strong chances you may get promoted, or some your salary will rise and your earning will grow, and you may get money from multiple sources. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, they must try our visa, because they will get PR or they will get visa. They may get a work permit if you are willing to settle in foreign land, because Jupiter aspecting is on your 12th house, which will give you a lot of positivity related to settlement in overseas. And second, this whole week brings a lot of new smile. You can say new positivity, new energy in your mind. So we'll enjoy this week and wish you all the best. Now I'm going to talk about Gemini ascendants. Gemini ascendants, this whole week brings good rewards for you. And if you are unemployed, you may get job. Your savings will rise, your finance will be upgrade, you will enjoy a lot of comforts, your family will support you. Try to be humble with you when you are while talking with your parents, because Saturn is in 8th house, now is in direct motion better than before. But overall, Saturn is in 8th house, aspecting is on your 2nd house. Please be careful while talking with your elders, give some respect, show some respect to your elders, to your mom, dad. You will definitely grow during this week. This week brings a lot of good opportunity. Those native who are businessmen, those native who are in any type of government job, they may get very good rewards from our seniors, and your seniors will be satisfied from your performance. Now I'm going to talk about Cancer ascendants. Cancer ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You will may plan some short trip with your family and friend. You will enjoy very good moments with your family or friend. This whole week brings lot of good news for you. If you are unemployed, you may get job. Finances will be excellent. Savings will be rise. You may go for any long distance journey as well as short distance journey scenes as per transit, if your Mahadasha and Antardasha supporting for you. This whole week brings a lot of good change for you. You will enjoy a lot of good benefits. Month of October and start of first week of the October, from 5th October to 11th October, will be a biggest game changer for you in all aspects for your life. Now I'm going to talk about Leo ascendants. Leo ascendants, a big amount of money will awaits you. Get ready, open your new bank account. A huge amount, a big amount of money will knock you. And some unexpected gains also seen in as per transit. If you have a good Mahadasha and Antardasha, your finances will be upgraded and you may enter in a new business horizon. You may start a new business with someone. Some business opportunities may come far away place from your side, and if you invest your money with that business, you will grow a lot. This is a time when your confidence will be rise, and you enjoy a lot of happy moments with your family and friends, and you spend some quality time on this weekend. Especially Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be a biggest game changer days for you. Now I'm going to talk about Virgo Ascendants. Virgo Ascendants need to be careful. Your Ascendant Lord is retrograde. Don't sign any new deals. Don't buy anything new during this period. Keep my line in your mind. When Mercury is retrograde, this is for every ascendant. When Mercury is retrograde, don't invest your money. Don't start any new things. Don't buy anything new. Don't sign any new contract. Because when Mercury is retrograde, then it's a time to settle down the old things. That is much better to enter in a new venture or enter in a new horizon. So overall, Mercury will brings mixed fruit for you this whole week. One side you will be very upset, finances will be upgraded, your health will be fine, and you may start some learning. And this is a time, especially Tuesday, Wednesday and Thursday will be a biggest game changer days for you. You will be in a very good confidence zone. Your health will be fine and your family will support you. Your pending work will be click because now Saturn is direct. So you will get a lot of good news related to your profession, related to your family life. Now I'm going to talk about Libra Ascendants. Libra Ascendants, this whole week will give you a lot of relief. You will enjoy a lot of good energy. Your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of good atmosphere. Your family, your friends, your siblings will support you. There's a short distance journey seen in your transit, and there you may get a lot of good profits from those journeys. This is a time when your confidence level will be sky high and your spouse will help you. And you may start a new business first, but Mercury is retrograde during this period. Don't start new business. I suggest you just plan everything once, wait for the Mercury direct. Once Mercury direct, you may start. Now I'm going to talk about Scorpio Ascendants. Scorpio Ascendants this whole week brings a lot of good news for you. Some unexpected orders will make you happy. Your business will be promoted from mouth to mouth publicity. You will be recognized as a very good business man. You will be recognized as a very good person in your field, whatever you are doing. This is a time when Jupiter is in your second house. Your savings will grow, your family will grow, and your family will support you. You will get a lot of blessings to your father's side, to your mother's side, and you may plan some journeys near future, which is also seen in this week, especially from 5th October to 11th of October. Some unexpected gains will knock you. Some new business partnership may enter with your business, and it will be act like a game changer for you. Overall, this is a time when you will top, you will be sky high, and your all pending work will be click in this week. You will be in a very good atmosphere, and this is a very ultimate time for you because your second lord is in second house, third lord is in third house, and those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, Saturn will help you. So now I'm going to talk about Sagittarius Ascendants. For Sagittarius Ascendants, this whole week brings a lot of good change for you. You may get some money from your inheritance, and those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, this is the ultimate week. You may get some new job linked with foreign land, or you may get some work permit or PR related to foreign. So if you are interested to settle in foreign, Sagittarius, this is a very good week for you. Your all wishes will be fulfilled during this period because Jupiter is in your first house with full of power in Sagittarius sign. Saturn is in your second house, which will bring a lot of finance, a lot of work, and a lot of name, fame, prosperity for you. Get ready. This is a very good month and very good week for you. Now I'm going to talk about Capricorn. Capricorn, this is a bit better week compared to last few months. Saturn is direct and Jupiter is direct, but Mercury is retro. You don't start anything new. Don't invest your money with someone. Have wait, have patience till Mercury direct. But overall, this is a far better week compared to last few months. A relationship with your spouse will be under shadow because Saturn still aspecting is on your 7th house, which is not very promising for you. So try to be in a good relationship with your spouse, with your loved one. Overall, in the terms of money, in the terms of finance, cash flow will make you happy. Your bank balance will be good, and you will enjoy a very good moment with your family and with your friends. Now I'm going to talk about Aquarius Ascendants. Aquarius Ascendants this whole week brings a lot of positivity for you. You may start a new business partnership from far away place, and there is strong chances you may go for some short journey. You may go to one state to another state in this week. Especially Monday, Thursday, and Friday will be a biggest game changer dates. Those native who are already doing any type of trading business, they may get a lot of good profits. Some unexpected money will knock you, but don't invest new money in stock market because Mercury is retrograde. Overall, this is a time when you will enjoy good health compared to last 3 4 months. This is a time when you may plan something related to settle in foreign land. Those native who are willing to settle in foreign land, and Saturn is already in your 12th house, being a lord of your first house is in 12th house. It's very good for you. Now I'm going to talk about Pisces Ascendants. Pisces Ascendants, every planet is in your favor, but Mercury is retro, Venus is in your 6th house. Need to be careful about your health. Need to be careful while talking with the spouse. Don't show your attitude. Don't show your ego in front of someone, especially in front of your spouse. Keep calm yourself. Do your good. Do your best. This is the ultimate time for you. You will make a lot of money from your business, from your job, and your health will be fine. You will enjoy a lot of comforts, but you need to be careful while talking with others. Don't show your attitude. Don't show your ego. Thank you for watching my video. Thank you for watching my channel. I am regular praying for you a happy future for everyone, every of my viewers. Thank you. Namaskar. Jai Hind.